Audio and sound effects in this video were created using Audio. Use the link in the description to get 10% off.
Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking Today. Bojan Zulovic here. So, are you looking for an inexpensive but versatile on-camera mic? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so before we get going, the usual housekeeping. This product was sent to me by SmallRig, free of charge for this review. However, as always, they have no influence on this video. They're not reviewing it before it's being published, and all the opinions you're going to hear are my own. So, let's get started.
This is the Forevala S20 by SmallRig, an on-camera plug-and-play microphone with a built-in lav mic input and a stereo and mono recording switch that allows you to record the lav mic on one channel and the S20 on the other. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. You'll get the usual manual with SmallRig stickers, shock mount, cable to connect the mic to a phone, cable to connect the mic to a camera, a lav mic, an additional windscreen for the lav, the mic itself, a windscreen, a dead cat, and a carrying pouch to carry everything around. Now let's see what the mic sounds like outside. Alright, so here I am outside right now. I've got the mic hooked up to my camera. I don't have the windscreen or the dead cat on right now, so this is what it sounds like. I'm in an open space here. There's cars behind me. There's forest here, so you got the usual natural noise going on. On my camera, I am running it at -6 dB. So that's that. I'm looking at the levels. They seem to be okay. Doesn't seem to be peaking. I'm about 3 feet away from the mic. So this is what that sounds like. I'm just going to be quiet for a bit. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Now I got the windscreen on, same environment settings, everything else. And this is what that sounds like. Looking at the levels, they look fine. And again, I'm just going to be quiet for a bit. Okay, and we'll be right back. Alright, so now I've got the dead cat on. Again, same settings, everything else, and this is what that sounds like. So I'm not sure if you can hear any difference in terms of the wind being cut down. It's not very windy today, so you might not notice a difference. Just gonna be quiet right now. Okay. We'll be right back. Okay, so I got the windscreen on again. So all the previous recordings were done in mono, and this one is now done in stereo, so I want to see if it makes any difference. Again, this is what it sounds like. All the other settings are the same. So this is what that sounds like, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now this time I've got the, so the mic is still running with the windscreen on, but I also have the lav mic, which is right here, hooked up to it. So it's recording in stereo. One channel is for the lav mic, one channel is for the mic itself. So I'll be cutting back and forth on that. So right now, this is the mic that you're listening to, and right now, this is the lav mic that you're listening to. So I'll be cutting back and forth on that so you can hear the difference. I'm again 3 feet away. Settings are all the same. Nothing has changed. And this is what that sounds like, so I'm going to be quiet for a minute.
So, as you can hear, this is a pretty cool mic. First of all, the quality of the actual mic, I mean, to me, it's pretty cool. Considering this is a $35 mic, give or take, you can find it a little bit cheaper sometimes depending on the sale, but it's usually around $35 US dollars. That's a pretty good price, man. So given the price, given the quality of the actual mic, as long as you're, you know, a few feet away, I mean, don't be 20 feet away and expect some amazing quality, right? But, you know, 3-4 feet away, you're gonna get some really decent quality, no doubt about that. Having the addition of being able to plug in a lav mic, now that's pretty cool, because basically what that means is, you know, if you need, if you're interviewing someone, and depending on how you're structuring it, you can use the lav mic for the person, and maybe you are asking questions and you want to be able to hear yourself on camera and you want to use that, you know, that could work as well. You can turn the on-camera mic around so it faces you, right, or whatever the case is. It does give you more flexibility. Now, the audio quality of the lav mic, not the greatest. As you heard, you know, I don't know, I didn't like it. You can play around with it in post for sure and tweak it and make it better, so keep that in mind. I wish the quality was a bit better. There's that. Aside from that, who is this for? Definitely for any beginner who doesn't have a lot of money. This is a great addition. Really for anyone who wants to use this as a backup mic. So if you have a lav like I have here and you want to have a mic just in case the lav breaks down or whatever it is, and you want to rely on the audio that was fed through the on-camera mic, you can do that, so you don't use the built-in mic, which is always horrible and nobody should ever use that audio, right? So that's a case scenario, right? So there's definitely use cases for this mic for sure. And yeah, I think, like I said, the price is great. Links to everything will be in the description as always, so check those out. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.